Hi, Chef Mike Panja. Today we're going to make strawberry granita. This is a Sicilian originated slushy dessert, especially suitable for summertime. It's refreshing, it's cooling, it's made with readily available fruit, fresh strawberries, fun to do. Let's get started. We'll start by hulling the strawberries. Now you can do this with a paring knife, and you just go in at a 45-degree angle and slice around the stem. And you can discard it or you can put it in your compost bin, which I'm going to do. Split the strawberry in half and put it in a colander. Alternatively, you can use a device something like this, which is a strawberry huller, and you can just pinch right into the strawberry and pull that husk right out. Time to combine all our ingredients in the blender. First, the strawberries. A third of a cup of sugar. 1 cup of water. A pinch of salt. And just a slight drizzle of balsamic vinegar. And the juice of half a lemon. If it's a real juicy one, you can cut down after about a teaspoon. Okay, that's all in. Now we're going to turn the blender on. Run it at low speed to get it started. And once it's going, we'll let it rip. Now we'll pour it all out into a 9 by 13 roasting pan and bring it over to the freezer. Now it's into the freezer we go. And we'll check back in about 45 minutes. Stir the frozen part from around the edges into the middle and do it again in another 45 minutes. You'll stir it again in 45 minutes and again a third time in another 45 minutes. I'm just going to show the last stirring, if that's okay with you. Now we can serve. You can save any extra in your freezer in an airtight container, and when it's time to serve it, just let it thaw out again into a slush. Stir it up with a fork and you'll be ready to go. Well, Magoo, we've done it again. We've made a refreshing dessert that many of your friends and neighbors have probably never seen before. Something easy to do, wonderfully refreshing, and fun to make. Speaking of your friends and neighbors, why don't you share this video with them and remind them that it would be a good idea for them to subscribe to this channel also. I'd appreciate that. Well, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Señorita Juanita makes granita in summertime to beat the heat. Fresh strawberries are in season, but that's not the only reason to enjoy this special treat. Make granita, it's easy and fun. It's sure to please when it's done.